Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'd like to do a presentation about my paper. The title is Localized Internationalization Model in Higher Education for Undergraduate Institutions in the Context of Emerging Engineering Disciplines. My name is Deng Yanzhen from Adamson University. First, please allow me to do a brief introduction of the study. The globalization of higher education has evolved, emphasizing the need for institutions to cultivate global perspectives and competencies among students. This thesis investigates the concept of localized internationalization within undergraduate institutions, particularly in emerging engineering disciplines. Research by Kite underscores the importance of context-specific strategies, making localized approaches crucial for regional institutions like Guilin University of Electron Technology, which is a public university in Guangxi, China, specialized in electronic technology and faces unique challenges in fully integrating international perspectives, while preserving its cultural identity. This study proposed a model of localized internationalization that leveraged the university's strengths, equipping students to thrive in an interconnected world. The study argues that integrating international perspectives is essential for preparing future engineers to navigate global complexity. It focuses on reforming key teaching processes, including curriculum design and experiential learning, advocating for the embedding of international perspectives to enhance scientific literature and cross-cultural competencies among students. The literature and theory adopting my theory, that is the Localized internationalization theory, the core module and limitation in the just localized needs, and also the contextualized internationalization theory. The literature emphasized the need for localized approaches to internationalization, particularly in engineering education. Existing modules primarily address mobility and partnership, but often overlook curriculum adoption and local context. This study fills a gap by proposing a framework tailored to regional universities, integrating global standards with local relevance. And also the contextualized internationalization theory. The challenges for regional university is the limited resources, maintaining cultural identity, and developing international partnerships. A further specific to engineering is the balancing global standards in a rapidly evolving technological landscape and lack of focus on localized internationalization. Existing models mainly focus on large metropolitan universities and also the innovation. In this study, it is to propose a model tailored to regional university like my university. The research it is to object explore the impact of localized internationalization of engineering education at GRAD and analyze how GRAD balances global engagement with local needs. The question we'd like to ask is, how does the university implement its localized internationalization model? What challenges and benefits arise from this model? And how do experimental learning opportunities enhance students' global competencies? The method I used is the CCT method and also the FGDS. So first, through the data collection, data analysis, and coding, the study employs a quantitative research designed to explore the localized internationalization model at GWAT, and the methodology is structured to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the perceptions and the experience of faculty and administrative staff involved in the efforts. Through my survey and through my experimental, the study has explored the localized internationalization model in the GWAT and focusing on its implementation in the context of emerging engineering discipline. The findings illuminated the complex interplay between global engagement and the regional relevance, offering insights that contribute to the ongoing discourse on internationalization in higher education. And the key findings, there are 5. They are the cultural diversity and international presence. Also the challenges in the international collaboration, localized approaches to the internationalization. And the 4th one is the resources and the infrastructure challenges. The last is the human resource development. For the future, I think maybe it has some hint for the implication for the higher education. They are the strategic partnerships and also the investments in infrastructure. So that's all. Thank you. Also have the curriculum, integration, faculty development, support for international students. Thank you.